Kaze Burundi. Welcome to Burundi. This is real Burundi. Sawa mama sawa.
You see, they are sharp. Oh, this is very sharp.
See our group, and Mr. Patrick is our guide. He is explaining about this beauty. What is the place name? Teza?
A tea plantation.
Tea plantation.
Its beauty is just relaxing, as you can see. I think you will show them around.
Yes. So we can pass from here.
Yeah. We may pass here and
they want to see how to collect the leaves.
Yeah. They are going to collect this chief. It's going to collect them in that place.
No. They want to see how they collect.
No. Put in another place, and we will come back in tea plantation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sawa.
I informed him.
Okay, inform.
Yeah.
All right.
But there's a procedure you have to follow. Eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
But we have to go another place also. This is not a final destination. So we have some time limitation. Eh?
And we may approach the forest here.
Yes.
One day, I've seen the animals like chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee?
Yeah.
Right.
So you can see they are collecting the tea leaves here.
So these are some of the
these are the tea leaves.
Yeah.
And they are going to put the process. They are going to dry it first.
Yeah, they dry it. But you see at the factory how.
Can I see, Papa? And you can explain something. This is the upper part, eh? Upper part of the tea.
It's the soft
one, like this. Yes.
The soft
this
one.
This is what I've told you.
That one.
Free leaves only.
Mashallah. Nature.
So they start by drying, then
they are going to process in factory.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the cars and the lorries are going to come here in order to work this some wags of tea here.
Oh, okay.
And this lorry bring them inside the factory. Yeah.
Sawa.
Tell them.
इधर आके देखो जो भी आना.
Come and see how beautiful is Burundi.
Yes.
Let them come and see themselves.
Yes.
How much beautiful Burundi.
We are going to show to the world. Then it's up to them. They are going to come and visit. If you wanted to feel it, the real nature.
They should
beautiful
come
Burundi, amazing Burundi. You have to come and see the beauty of Burundi.
If I say chupte,
chupke means slow. Dhire.
Haste. Slow.
This is the Hindi word. Namaste is just like a greeting. Yes, it's just a greeting. Abari muchana. Abari gani.
If you are thirsty, you just say, I need some pani.
Yes, I need chupaya maji.
और कितने जाएंगे यार?
बस यहाँ से जाके उतरना है.
उतरना भी है?
हाँ, उधर जाएंगे.
They are hard workers.
Yeah, they are hard workers. They are doing hard work. It's not easy. You can see the view. Oh my God. Iko vizuri kabisa. Chane.
The people don't believe. Normally, like, I know they're starting, actually, slowly. Film how we go into the jungle.
Yes, we are going to in jungle, and let us find some animal here. Sir, proceed, sir. Bouquet.
Are you doing a video? Just be careful, guys.
Be careful. The forest name, Patrick. The forest name. This is the which forest?
It's called Kibira.
Kibira National Park.
Yeah, Kibira National Park.
Okay, bouquet.
It's really good. You want to go also? Okay.
Try to come, sorry.
Let's try the adventure. But I don't know how we will be coming back. It'll be hard.
Bouquet.
Just make a lot of pictures there.
Yes. And we are going inside. Let us find some animal.
Irina, you can see the yellow fruits. This is a tree. Irina, this is a tree for the yellow fruits. Yeah, they are there. Yes. Wow, it looks gorgeous.
Okay, Patrick. Bouquet.
Do you want to go?
I don't want to go. I will take video from here. They're not going to inside, nah?
You take a video when they are coming,
they are
struggling
coming, yes,
to climb.
Yes. Is there an animal? This is Kibira National Park, and when we are going to deep inside interior, then you are going to find maybe there's a mongoose. There are mongoose, there are monkeys.
Okay. Let me also try.
Yes, I can try.
Okay. Interesting. Some science here. You know there is 660.
Nisawa, Papa. Rakome. See, they are plucking the tea leaves. Iko sawa? Thank you. And you are going to put here, yeah? Yes. Mashallah. See how they are plucking. Okay, continue, please. This is Teza, eh? So this is the real Burundi. If you wanted to come, visit this location, then you feel it. I can show maximum thing, whatever I find, the good thing in Burundi, I will explore. I will invite you. We must visit this country, this beautiful country, and enjoy. This is the best Burundian tea ever in the world. Hey, sawa. And you can see the mountain there in the forest. This is Kibira National Park in Burundi, just near in Teza. And there's a tea plantation around this area, and over there the Kibira National Park. You can find there's a monkey, mongoose, even chimpanzee are there. So when I go there, I will explain that things also. But you can see the area is very far. It's not near, but I can show from here. So welcome to Burundi. Thank you so much. So you can see in Teza plantation, tea plantation, there's a small hut. I came here. I came all the way from there, and it's not easy. Then I'm resting here. Now you can see the view. Oh my god. Now they came from downside and you can see everyone is tired. How is the experience, bro? It's not easy. You find any animals are there?
There is some small source of water there.
Small source of water by tree. Let me check what area is there. Is there anything?
Blackberry.
Ah, blackberry, yes. Yes, yes. These are the blackberry. Yeah, you can eat. Yes. It's too hard. Tayari? Finish? Finish. So when we are going to see the chimpanzee? Next time?
Next time.
But make sure, please. Next time you are going to find. So when you are coming to tea garden, see the car. Too much dust. Too much dust. Because this is totally service road and it's like this.
What they made.
Yes, yes, yes. This is mud. This is the tree. This is mud, eh?
Clay.
Clay. Mud, eh? Mud and clay. They are making clay. You can make a food chakula here.
But this is mainly for flowers.
Even they are cooking.
But
they are cooking.
yeah, but they are bigger one to cook.
Even we can cook a small thing here. In Anga.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Min truasa.
Hano watekamwe. Turaye twumwana ngi.
Agihumbi tatu.
3,000. No, it's to support the local.
Okay, okay.
Handcraft.
Nibumba.
Okay, you can take a leta kuba ini kidogo. Leta kuba. I can buy one. Yeah, you can ask if you have they have a big one. This is a small.
I think. Any
majiwa?
Today can, but
Majiwa you can put here and you can warm it from downside. Majiwa?
Yeah.
Amata.
Amata. Okay. Amata unashaka kuyashusha ya.
Hamuna? Problem.
No, and he's even.
And what about this? You can eat here?
This is wood.
Wood, eh?
Yeah, it's wood.
Hii nanga?
5,000.
Thank you, Mire.
Yes, just $2.
Yes, yes.
So when you are outside in the airport, you cannot find handicraft for
And this? Hii biote nanga?
start by 10. Okay. 10,000.
Hii ni dogo.
See?
Let me buy something, eh?